What's up, everybody? I have a sweet red Quigley 4x4 van behind me. We just got done putting the lift on it, and on the last four-wheel drive conversion that we did, that killer gray van. If you didn't get a chance to see that, boom, there's a card right there. You can check that out. So a lot of you guys ask, what's the advantage of going to a custom spring in the rear of whether it be your Chevy or your Ford van? Really, it comes down to a couple of things. First, we're gonna get better articulation out of a rear spring. The second thing is that we're gonna run more leafs in the rear spring, which is going to make it more progressive. It's going to give you a softer ride. The other big thing that we do to all of our custom leafs is we put a negative overload on the bottom, which allows your upper springs to actually move while it will still be able to carry the towing capacity of your van. Now here's the difference when it comes to towing. Let's say normally your van squats down an inch or a half an inch when you put your boat, your trailer, whatever it may be, on your van. You may get another half an inch more of it settling down depending on the tongue weight of your trailer. Another big thing that I do when I'm running even my big trailer, and if you guys haven't seen that thing, I'll post a picture of that up on this video too. It's a 27-foot enclosed, and it's about 8,000 pounds or more once we have this thing loaded. That's actually way more than that. The trailer alone is 6,800. So we're pushing 10,000 pounds. And then the next thing I'll have to do is actually get a tongue weight on that thing so I can kind of help you guys out a little bit more. So what I want to do is show you more about articulation today than towing. And behind me we have this awesome Quigley van. We just got done doing this. We put the lift on it, we put the rear bumper, we put the wheels, ran an awesome set of method grid wheels. And if you want to see more about this van, I'll throw up another card here and you guys can go check out the build video on this van. But today right now we're just talking about leaf springs. So in the other van, we are going to do this side-by-side comparison as far as with our springs and without our springs in it. This one's just going to have blocks and U-bolts in it. It's also going to have the Fox shocks. But what I really want to show you is the difference in numbers when it comes to articulation. So what I've done here is we're lifting up this front tire to see how far it will lift up before the back tire comes off the ground. So right now the back tire is just barely on the ground. If I come up just even a quarter of an inch more, that back tire is going to lift all the way off. But this is the kind of predicament you might see yourself in if you're going to be, really getting crazy with your van doing some rock crawling. I'm going to make Austin scoot down here and show you. So now if we come back to the inside of this the way we did on the other one, we're at about... Alright, so for all of you guys that commented on this video, how much articulation does it have? So you're at 23 inches on the outside of the tire, and you're at about 20.5 inches on the inside of the tire, because I know that there's going to be some people that say, oh no, 23, no, you're to the outside. So I'm giving you both measurements. So the winner though we're going to pick is going to be whoever got the inside tire measurement correct. Future Jeremy here, Steve Allen, 19.75. Winner, chicken dinner actually was 20.5. You are the closest, you win. All right, that's it. Back to future Jeremy. No, past Jeremy. Whatever it is, back to Jeremy. Watch him. We're at about 15 3/4 of an inch to the inside of the wheel. So when we compare, apples to apples, on both of those we were running a 285/70/17, so we're running the same size tire. And on the outside of the tire, we're about 17.5 inches. So you can see we're at a difference of about 5+ inches more articulation going with the springs that we're building for these vans. You'll also notice that as we walk around to the back of this thing, you'll notice that the tire isn't tucked up in the wheel well as much as it would be with our springs on it. Just kind of want to give you guys a little bit more information. So if you're thinking about building a van, or maybe you already have a Quigley van and you would like to get more articulation and a better ride, the leaf springs that we offer are gonna make a huge difference. So I'll let Austin run around this thing and get some killer shots of it. But I hope that helped you guys understand a little bit more about springs and how we're measuring actual articulation. If you guys have more questions, please comment below. I will be happy to answer, you know, as many questions as I can about springs and about vans. But that's it. Nice quick video showing you guys about our springs and articulation. And that's it. Smash that subscribe button and please give us a huge thumbs up. The more thumbs up we get, honestly, YouTube will put our video in front of more people, which helps us grow. So thank you guys very much, and I will see you next time.